Boldt HVAC, a veteran-owned company, provides comprehensive heating, cooling, and plumbing services, making them a trusted choice for home improvement in Dakota County, Minnesota. With experienced technicians, 24/7 availability, and a focus on energy efficiency and indoor air quality, they deliver reliable service in areas like Eagan and Apple Valley. Are you looking for an HVAC service in Dakota County, Minnesota? You can stop looking, you found Boldt HVAC. How quickly can I get emergency HVAC service in Dakota County, Minnesota? Boldt HVAC provides 24/7 emergency services in Dakota County, Minnesota, ensuring quick and dependable help for urgent heating or cooling problems. Their experienced technicians are available around the clock to offer prompt support to homeowners in areas like Eagan and Apple Valley. Can HVAC services from Boldt improve my home's indoor air quality? Boldt HVAC provides services like air purifiers, humidifiers, and advanced filtration systems to enhance indoor air quality. By improving air circulation and controlling humidity, they help make homes in Dakota County, Minnesota healthier and more comfortable. What is the service area of Boldt HVAC? Boldt HVAC provides services at the following locations in Minnesota: Burnsville, Apple Valley, Eagan, Farmington, Inver Grove Heights, Lakeville, Mendota Heights, Prairie Lake, Rosemount, St. Paul, Savage, South St. Paul, West St. Paul, Hopkins, Eden Prairie, Shakopee, Edina, and Richfield. Where is Boldt HVAC located in Dakota County, Minnesota? We are located at 20721 Holyoke Avenue, 1st floor. Lakeville, Minnesota 55044, United States. Our phone number is 833-758-6461. Visit our website at www.bobvots.com/Lakeville-MN.